Case brief instructions. Go to a university, CJS112, criminal procedures. I have placed an example of a case brief in the course content. Please use that as your model for your case briefs for your assignment submissions. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor. A case brief concisely summarizes a court case that highlights the key facts, legal issues, relevant laws, court rulings, and reasoning. A case brief aims to understand and analyze legal cases effectively, extract essential information, and prepare for class discussions or exams. Elements of a case brief. The first element is the case name and citation. Include the full name of the case, including the parties involved. Provide the official citation, including the volume, reporter, page number, and year of the decision. The second element is procedural history. Summarize the history of the case, including lower court decisions or any previous proceedings. Mention how the case reached the current court or level of review. The third element is the facts. Identify key facts relevant to the legal issue at hand. Focus on the facts that are essential for understanding the court's decision. The fourth element is issue or question presented. State the specific legal question or issue that the court is addressing. The issue should be framed as a concise question that captures the core legal problem. The fifth element is the holding and decision. Summarize the court's ultimate decision or ruling. Include whether the court affirmed, reversed, or remanded the lower court's decision. The sixth element is reasoning. Explain the court's reasoning or analysis behind the decision. Identify the legal principles, statutes, or precedents the court relied on. Describe the court's interpretation and the application of the law to the facts of the case. The seventh element is the dissenting or concurring opinions, if applicable. Note, if any judge provided separate opinions, summarize the key points of a dissent or concurrence. Include the names of the judges who authorized these opinions. Remember, the purpose of a case brief is to capture the essential elements of a case concisely and accurately. Each element serves a specific role in understanding the court's decision and its legal reasoning. When writing a case brief, read the case thoroughly as it is crucial for several reasons. Understanding the case. Thorough reading ensures a comprehensive understanding of the case, facts, legal issues, and court's reasoning. It allows you to grasp the nuances of the argument presented by both parties and the court's analysis. Identifying key information. Reading the case in detail helps you identify the key information that is relevant to the legal issue at hand. It allows you to distinguish between essential and less important facts, procedural history, and legal reasoning. Extracting relevant principles. By reading the case carefully, you can extract the relevant legal principles or precedents that the court relies on. This understanding is crucial for analyzing the court's decision and applying it to similar legal issues in the future. Capturing subtle details. Thorough reading helps capture subtle details such as concurring or dissenting opinions, which may offer alternative viewpoints or shed light on the reasonings behind the decision. These details add depth and context to your case brief. To read effectively, consider the following tips. Take notes. Jot down key points, facts, and legal arguments as you read. This helps you organize your thoughts and ensure that you don't miss any crucial information. Underline or highlight. Use highlighting or underlining to mark significant passages, key facts, or legal principles. This visual aid makes it easier to revisit and reference important details while writing your case brief. Summarize each section. After reading each section of the case, procedural history, facts, reasoning, etc., summarize the main points in your own words. This exercise ensures comprehension and helps consolidate your understanding. Use marginal annotations. Make marginal annotations to note questions, observations, or connections you make while reading. This active engagement with the text enhances your critical thinking and analysis. Read actively. Engage with the text actively by asking questions, making predictions, and evaluating the arguments presented. Active reading helps you stay focused and improves comprehension. Remember, the more thorough and attentive your reading is, the better you'll grasp the case's intricacies and be able to present them accurately in your case brief. When organizing a case brief, there are different approaches you can take to present your information effectively. Two common approaches include using headings and bullet points. Here's a discussion of each approach. Headings. Using headings involves categorizing the different sections of the case brief and providing clear labels for each section. Each element of the case brief, such as procedural history, facts, issues, holdings, reasonings, and dissenting concurring opinions, can be assigned a different heading. Headings make it easier for readers to navigate the case brief, locate specific information quickly, and understand the structure of the document. And the example is posted on the slide. Please look at it. Bullet points. Using bullet points involves presenting the information in a concise and organized format. Each element of the case brief is represented by a bullet point or a short sentence highlighting the key details. Bullet points allow for a quick and easy scannable format, making it convenient to review and grasp the main points of the case. And there's an example posted in the slide. While both approaches have merits, and you can choose the one that suits your preference and requirements in your case brief, you may also combine elements of both approaches to create a well-structured and easily understandable brief. Proofreading and editing the case brief are crucial steps in the writing process to ensure clarity, coherence, and correctness. Here's why they are important and some tips for reviewing your case brief. The importance of proofreading and editing. Clarity. Proofreading helps ensure that your ideas are expressed clearly and effectively. It allows you to identify any ambiguous or confusing sentences, words, or phrases that may hinder comprehension. Coherence. Editing helps improve the overall flow and organization of your case brief. It allows you to check for logical transitions between paragraphs and sections, ensuring that your arguments and analysis are presented in a coherent and cohesive manner. Correctness. Proofreading and editing help eliminate errors in grammar, punctuation, spelling, and citation formatting. These aspects contribute to the professional and credibility of your case brief.